இருமா என்னம்மா பண்ற? ஏமா அப்படி அட்மிட்டாலே பண்ண விட மாட்டேங்கிற? Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Okay, how are we on the... Oh, for some reason I'm not able to connect. Oh wow. Okay guys, I'm on your classroom. Did you have any questions on those word problems given? Did you have any
I couldn't
questions?
understood it.
Huh?
I didn't understand the word problem.
This generic statement is not accepted. Did you go through the recording?
No.
Then if you come and just say I don't understand the word problems, this is absolutely not acceptable. You have to go through the recording, go through each question, work it out. Have you submitted that? Let me see. I did go over many of your assignments though, but I don't remember yours in particular. I don't see your homework submitted too, so what will I understand?
I did.
Huh?
I did submit it.
You did? Okay.
Mhm.
As what, ma?
As a PDF.
As a PDF?
Mhm.
Okay. Open the Google Classroom. I don't know what is the account from which you submitted. Just show me. Maybe I am looking at the wrong account, I think. Do you want to just show me? Screen share and show me. Where do I send it? Naman.
Yeah.
I will help you with your question, Naman.
Okay.
Can I share my screen? Okay, first let's finish. Devansh, can you show me? Share the screen and show. Show me. Devansh, I'm waiting for you. Can you share the screen?
Yeah, it's not there. I forgot to submit it.
Okay. Okay, now let's go to Naman's work. Naman, do you want to go to Google Classroom and share the screen? I'll tell you where to submit, ma.
Okay.
Vihan, did you have time to submit the homework?
Yeah, I did like a few problems.
What,
And
ma?
then I got kind of sick. I did like
You couldn't finish, ah.
yeah.
I
That's what
remember
happened with that's what's happening with every homework. Like I do like part of the work and then I just finish the
See, as long as you're able to answer in next class, if you review through that, if you're able to, if you're able to answer the question that we review, then that means that you've gone through the homework, you understand most of it.
Do you want me to share my screen now?
Yeah, ma.
Ma'am, I submitted it.
Krishiv, did you have any questions? I did see your work as well, Krishiv, but did you go over correct the answers?
Yeah, I did, but I had a question on number 12.
This is very nice. Okay, so I will go over question number. Yes, Naman, I'm sorry. I messed up with you. Keep going. Show me. Okay, Naman. Can you go to classwork? See, yeah. The recordings also come through Devansh. So it's important that we should have seen through. Okay. Go to that word problems. Go to that word problems. Yeah. Open it. Open it. Okay. No. Close it. Close it. Wait. You already turned in. Did you see that turned in late? When did you turn in?
I turned in Monday. I turned in Monday. Then, I had a tournament, so I came back at like 9.
The problem is you just clicked on turned in, but you did not upload your work. You see what
what?
I
You want me to unsubmit it so it like goes back to regular?
Yeah, go to we'll do it together. Go to unsubmit. How do you unsubmit it? Can you no. Yeah, unsubmit it. Yeah, so yeah, press add or create. Yeah, here see you can attach a file. How do you get the file? You know how to upload a file to Google Drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use your Google Drive, attach it. That is one way. But how do you get to your Google Drive? You can use Cam Scanner, take a PDF of the pages that you did, upload to Google Drive, or bring it to your computer and attach the file. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I got it.
You got how to do now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can show you if you want me to. You want me to?
Yeah, sure.
Make a note of the Cam Scanner application that you can use.
Yeah, I downloaded it. I have my work. It's just that.
Oh, you have your work as a PDF?
Yeah, I just didn't know
Where is the PDF? Where is the PDF?
Oh, I don't have it on this right now, but like I have it.
Oh, okay. Then what you can do, you can install Google Classroom as well on your mobile, same mobile, and just directly upload.
But my mom doesn't have that much like storage left. I'll ask her if to.
Yeah. See, that's all left to you. Yeah. I'll leave it to you.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
No, not really. I have a question for one of the questions.
Absolutely, we'll go over. Already 12th question I'm going to discuss. Krishiv, very nice Krishiv, bringing those questions up. Hey Ishan, very nice to see yours. But did you cross-check the answers?
No, I didn't.
See, that is important, right, Ishan? I've always told you, right? You have a key, right? And come up with questions that you have, right? Arya Sricharan, did you finish?
Yeah, I submitted it.
Okay. Arya, for some reason, sorry, Arya. Arya, the problem is, again, last week as well, I told you, right? Do not write only the answers to me. There is no point.
Yeah, I forgot on the second one.
No, you have just written the answers.
I had a question on number 12.
Yeah, number 12, everybody is asking. I'm going to go there.
I had a question on 11.
Yeah, 11, 12. Let's go over everything. Okay. Let me share my screen. Naman, you have to submit the PDF, then I can go over it, okay? Meaning, at least I'll randomly see how you have done, what is your work. So that's the most important piece for me, okay?
Yeah.
Let's see this one. Yeah. Here, 11 and 12 were asked. Okay, Priya buys 4. Okay, let me go over and add that in. Okay, shall I show Priya buys 4 notebooks and 3 pens? Okay, this is a little difficult, but let's make it work. Okay, 3 notebooks. So what is the money I spent on notebooks? 3. Okay, let the price of 1 notebook. Okay, let N be the price of 1 notebook. Okay, then P be the price of 1 pen. Okay. Okay. Now, let's say I am buying 4 notebooks. So what is the cost of 4 notebooks? Who can tell me the cost of 4 notebooks? What is the cost of 4 notebooks? If n is the price of 1 notebook, what is the cost of 4 notebooks? How do you write it?
4N.
4n, correct.
4N.
Yeah, 4n. And 3p, right? Will be equal to, I don't see, it's in dollars, right? I don't want decimals. I don't like decimals, so I'm going to convert it to cents. Okay. Hamsini buys 2 notebooks and 5 pens for 1950. So we got 2. But as I said, right, I don't like to work with 2 equations. 2 equations make a mess, right? But when you think about it, right, how to eliminate one of them? Can I multiply this whole equation by 2? If I multiply this whole equation by 2, what happens? 1950. 1950 plus 1950 is what? 2900. Makes sense, guys? So now I have, see here, I have 2 equations where the same variable appears. So what I can do is I can subtract the 2 equations. When I want to subtract the 2 equations, bring it down and write. I'm going to subtract them completely. If I subtract them, what would happen? Subtract each term. 4n minus 4n gets cancelled. 10p minus 3p is 7p. Will be equal to 2900 minus 2200, let's say. That is 700, 750. Make sense, guys? See, 7 pen is costing 750 cents. 1 pen will cost 750 by 7 cents, which is 10, then what? 7.1 cents, right? But this, you can say $1.07. Does that make sense? Is it easier? So you can never have 2 variables, okay? In those cases, the best thing is, otherwise the other way to do this, I'll tell you. 4 notebooks and 3 pens, right? 4 notebooks and 3 pens. 4 notebooks, right? And 3 pens. Each is n, right? So this is 2150, right? Now, you know, 2 notebooks and 5 pens. There is no way I can make them equal. Do you see? It's very hard. 2 notebooks and 5 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 notebooks. You see? Now, 2 notebooks and 5 pens. This is another way of doing it using models. Here, when you look at it, right, this will be equal to 1950. Yeah, but in this case, it's very difficult to match them up. So the only way to do this is, instead of, let's say, instead of 2 notebooks, yeah, instead of 2 notebooks, what you can do, 2 notebooks can be substituted as 1950 minus 5p, correct, guys? From 1950, if you subtract the price of 5 pens, you get 2 notebooks, right? So for every 2 notebooks, you can substitute 1950 minus 5p. This you can substitute 1950 minus 5p. Now write the equation just with p. That is another way. How? Let's see this. PPP, 3p is there. And then 1950 is there. What is 1950? $39, right? $39 minus 10p will be equal to 2150. See, that is very easy to deal with, I feel. Now, 3p minus 10p is minus 7p will be equal to 39 minus 21. So that will be 2150, right? 22, if you subtract, what do you get? 17, correct? Correct, guys? 22 you subtract, but 1650 then, right? Yeah, so now divide by 7. 1 pen will be equal to 7 2s are 14. Are we getting it right? I feel like we are not getting it right, guys. Are we getting it right? So let's see. 39 minus 2150. Somebody help me, guys. You guys are... it's important all of you contribute. 17, yeah, 1650. Now 7 2s are 14. And then you have 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35. See, that's what I'm getting. But the same answer I didn't get then. Let's see, wait. So I'm getting 1 pen to be 2.36.
Miss Priya, I think it's because before you used 29 and now you're using 39.
The answer key
But
says, the answer key says $2.50.
the answer key says $2.50, Amma. Okay. $2.50. Let's do it once more, okay? So I'm going to bring this. Let me bring it to my notepad. Let me stop screen share. Let me bring it there and redo. So this should be good that way. Okay. Okay. Let's do both ways and see. See, this is the way when things get hard to do both ways and see. So 4 notebooks. This is my easiest way. 4 notebooks plus 3 pens is 2150. 2 notebooks plus 5 pens is 1950. Okay. Now, the only difference when I look at these numbers, right, I can really multiply this by 2. 4n plus 10p will be equal to, when you multiply this by 2, $38 and $39 I get. Oh, that's the same thing I got last time. Now, I'm going to rewrite this. 4n plus 3p equal to 2150. When I subtract both, right, what happens? 7p will be equal to 1750. 39 minus 2150, I calculated it wrongly. I wrote it out as 1650, right? 39 minus 2150, I wrote it incorrectly last time. So P will be equal to 7 2s are 14, 2.50. Make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Or you can draw.
Yes.
4 notebooks. You can draw 3 pens. Think of it like this, right? 4 notebooks, 3 pens. This is the second way I wrote. Right? This was 2150. So the other way is 2 notebooks and 5 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pens cost what? 1950. Here, what can I talk about? 2 notebooks. See, if I find out 2 notebook price, it's easy for me to plug it in here. 2 notebooks will be what? 1950 minus 5 of my pens, right? So instead of this, I'll plug in 1950 minus 5 of my pens. Instead of this, I'll plug in 1950 minus 5 of my pens. But here, to frame the equation, I already have 3 pens plus 1950 minus P minus 5P plus 1950 minus 5P will altogether be 2150. Does that make sense? Now this is 39. This is 3P minus 10P is 7P, right? Minus 7P plus 39 equal to 2150 minus 7P equal to 1750. P will be equal to 2.5. Both will get you the same result. Any questions? This is using the model. This is using equations. I'm sorry. Naman, which one did you understand?
I understood the one where you subtracted.
Illama, first or the second, ma, please.
First.
First, okay. How about you, Krishu? Which one did you understand? Or if you didn't understand,
The first one.
Oh, first one is what everybody understood. Okay. Devansh, which one did you understand?
The first one.
Oh, first one. First one is easy, means please follow that. That's the best way actually.
The first one is kind of like what I always do.
Oh, okay. First one is the best one because that comes in Algebra 1. Okay, this one comes in elementary school. If you want to understand this better with model. Okay. Vihan, which one was easier for you? For Arya, which one is easy?
The first one was the easiest.
How about you, Vihan?
Number 1.
Yeah, but when you look at it, you should know how to compare, how to eliminate one of this. If I multiply this by 2, it will get eliminated. So multiply this by 2, multiply this by 2, multiply this by 2, write it down and then subtract. Subtract or add, you should get only one variable. Okay, what is the next question that you want to discuss? What is the next question you would like to discuss? Tell me the number, guys. What is the next number do you want? Guys, you have to tell me which other questions would you like me to work it out on the board.
I think they wanted 12.
Yeah, nice, thank you. A jacket is first discounted. Jacket is first discounted at 35%. When something is discounted by 35% means they are selling it at 65% of its price. So X be the original price. So this was discounted means this was sold at 100% of 100. 100 by 100 of 100 they were selling. But they discounted by 35% means they reduced by 35%. So it was sold at 65% of the price. An additional 15 clearance discount is applied to the sale price. Oh my gosh. Further to that, it was given a 15% clearance. 15% clearance means an additional 15% clearance means if this was the full price, what is 15% clearance? Can I call it as 85 by 100 of that? Do you all understand what I'm doing?
Wait, how is 35% 65 over 100?
35% discount, 35% subtracted from 100%.
Oh, yeah.
So it was sold at 65%. So if this was your original price, if this was 15% discounted, then I have to calculate 85% of that number, right?
Yeah.
So I put 85 by 100 of that number. So what you need to do is 85 times 65 divided by 100 times X will be equal to 4420. That is hard, but I'm going to do this. Let's see. 20, 1, 13, 20. Now what do I have? This is a little complicated is what I see. That's okay. So 17 times 13 by 20 times 20x will be equal to 44.20. That's hard. Okay. Can you use the calculator and tell me X will? See, if I were you, I would not use the calculator. Okay, let's see. 4420 times 400 divided by 17 times 13. You know, if I were you, I would have done like this. Okay, 4420 times 4 I would have done. This is how I would do. 17680 divide by 17 times 13. I will take the time. 7 3s are 21, 2, 3, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 121. This is not a big thing to evaluate. Okay, now 121. I will do this for sure. 17680. But even if it takes time, it does not matter because doing more, working more with numbers helps me a lot. 121, 558. Now maybe times 5 will not help. Times 4 I have to go. 4 2s are 8, 4. Now what is it? 5 6 7. 74 is remaining. 740. I cannot go with a 7, but I think I can go with a 6. If I go with a 6, 12, 1, 6, 1 is 6, 7. I'm left with a 14, right? Yeah, I can put a 140.1 will become 121. Then I'm left with 19, right? 190, again 1. Okay, can one of you check the answer whether it is something similar?
Miss Priya, isn't it 221?
Oh, it was 221. Did I make a mistake, ma?
Yeah.
7, 10, 11, 12, 1. Oh, yeah, 221. Correct. I made a mistake. Okay, 221. I'll redo this part. So the last division, we'll do it again. 17680 divided by 221. Let me do that alone. Now I'll take all of this. So that would be 221 times, let's say 200, right? 200, 1600, 8, right? Yeah, 8 would, 8 may not go. Yeah, 8 would go. 8 would go. 221 times 8. I will, see, directly it came through. Times 8 is correct. So, times 8 is 1768. Okay, bring down the 0, 0. Is 80 the correct price, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, that's it. Any questions? I would have done it like that. I would not have, I will never use a calculator. I showed you how I will do. So, I would prefer that you also don't use a calculator. Do this and see. Then only your divisions all will stay in your brain. Any questions? Siddharth, did you understand how we did this?
Yeah, I understood.
Suppose, see, whenever they are saying, let's say I had a coat selling for some money, okay, some price, okay. If I say it was discounted by 25%, then what does it mean? Let's say that some price was X. What was the price? It was discounted by. Discounted by 25% means, how do I write it? For what money it was sold?
75 over 100.
75 by 100 times X. This is the price at which it was sold. Again, I am putting a clearance sale. I am discounting it by 20%, means again of this money they sold it at 80% of that. Because 20% it came down. You got it? This is 100%. Then what is 20% down is 80% of that money. Any questions? Is it clear? What other questions you have? This one is your 7th grade benchmark. Okay, but the questions intensity is a little harder than your 7th grade. Okay, that's why you're finding it tough. Can we do something like this? Let's see. Let's revise. Give me 1 minute. You want something? I don't know. I have to find. Okay, any other questions from the homework? Any other questions from the homework? Guys, any other questions from the homework? Let's revise literals. Let's revise literals as well as this. Okay, literals, yeah. Literals, at least the easy ones I would expect you to solve by now. I'm not expecting on the hard ones, but at least the easy ones I would definitely want you to solve. Hey, Sreshta, I was not able to see, ma. I was not able to see your answer, the link that you submitted, right?
Yeah.
I cannot see, ma, because see, I cannot see your. Okay, wait, let's see. How about this? How about this? Let's see this one. Can you do this question? Hey, Jeevanashri, did you miss to come to the class?
I was just doing something else.
Yeah. Okay, it's okay, ma. You know what? I sent the Algebra 1 class welcome email to your dad. I think I made a mistake, right?
Yeah, he couldn't find the homework together.
No, he should have found the homework, right? Anyway, that class homework you would have seen, right? Were you able to or not, Amma?
Sorry?
Were you able to find the homework or not?
No, I couldn't find the homework. My dad didn't know where to find it.
Did you read through the email? Did you read through the email?
No.
Okay, that's the problem. Okay, Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to send out an email now. 1 second, wait. I'm going to send out the email now, okay? Just don't take the first email that I sent, but you're going to go through, read the email and tell me whether you see the Google Classroom and stuff, okay? Because reading the email, going over it is what is going to help you. Hold on, I'm going to send it now. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, the others can do that problem. Did you get it from him and did you go through, ma?
No, he read it.
Yeah, I want you to go over it, ma. Otherwise, it's very difficult, right? So, yeah, I think I sent him the Algebra 1 class because I put you in Algebra 1, right? This class started Algebra 1. Okay, ask your dad to forward it to you now. Then I will help you at the end of the class to go over that. Does that work, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. But I want you to look through the homework before you get out of this class. So ask him to forward the email to you. Guys, please send the answer to me in chat for this question. Only 2 answers I got.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, ma, please go. Did you guys get that answer? I'm a little lost, guys. Can I get the answers, guys? If you're stuck, you can let me know. Sreshta, can that be really happening?
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, it doesn't confirm my sanity check. It cannot be in $2,000 and stuff. That seems correct, Vihan. That seems correct. Oh, that is very nice, Vihan. I think that's correct.
I don't know how to solve it.
Oh, no problem. Vihan, do you want to explain? Where did you get that $2 extra, Naman? Naman, how did you solve? Can you solve it on the board for me? Ishan, what is your answer?
I didn't get it.
Okay. Vihan, you want to say?
Do I just do it on the board?
I realized where I messed up.
No problem. Please redo and send the answer. I'm waiting. Jeevanashri, we were discussing this, ma, before you came. We discussed the problems in the homework. They had a couple of questions. We went over that, ma.
Okay.
And you also get the recording in the Google Classroom, ma. You can look at that as well.
Okay. And did you send it to my dad's email or WhatsApp?
Email, ma.
Okay.
The same email, whatever he used for registering me. Just let me know. So what did you do? He did is first discounted by 20%. Good. So first he discounted it to 80 by 100 and then he found out 85 by 100 of that money. See, first you had X money, okay? That X money was brought down to 80 by 100 of the original. This was 100 by 100 of X. But it was discounted by 20% means 80 by 100 of X you found out. And then additionally, for this money, you have to calculate 85 by 100. That's what he is doing. If the final price is 8160, yep, of X is 8160. Yep, this and this will get cancelled. That's okay. 17 times 4 by 100. Let me have the 100. I like working with hundreds.
Wait, I got 16 instead of 4. I divided by 5.
Which one, ma?
I divided both of them by 5. I like simplified it to 17, 16, 20, and 20.
17, 15, 20 and 20. That's okay.
17, 16, 20, and 20.
17, 16, 20 and 20 will simplify to 17 times 4 by 100, right? That's the same thing. After that, what did you do?
Yeah.
After that?
So, I got.
Yeah,
I
that's
got
good. Mm-hmm. But wait. Why are you multiplying by 4?
because 400, and then you do that to get 4.
What is it, Naman?
That's what you did last time, so I assumed it's the same.
No, this is just solving equation, right? Irrespective of whatever I did last time, why did you multiply by 4 here?
Because you did that last time, so I assumed it's the same.
You cannot go by that, right? Meaning, see, we are trying to solve equations. How did you solve this? Why did you multiply here by 4?
Because you did it last time, so I assumed it was the same.
No, Naman, we cannot do like that, right? Just because I'm multiplying by 8 there, you cannot multiply by 8 here, right?
Yeah, but I got 20 and 20 also, so I assumed it was the same.
Oh no, numbers will be different in different context, right? So this is more of solving equation, right? How do you solve this? Okay, let's go. Meaning, I'm not questioning or anything. How do you solve this? 85 times 80 by, thanks Vihan. 100 of x will be equal to 8160. How do you solve this equation? So you already said we will do this. 17, 24. So we have 17 times 4 by 100. X will be equal. How do you solve this equation? This is like solving equation, right? Who can help Naman? Naman need not be the only person answering, right? Who wants to help? I will just keep quiet till I get answers. Simple.
Then once you get that, wouldn't you just divide it by you divide it by the 0.6. You divide it by 0.68.
Oh, okay. How do you say? I didn't get you. What is? Oh, okay. So you made this as 0.68, is it?
No. What I did was I divided 81 point. Wait, no. Hang on. Wait, I said it.
Oh, I got it. I got my mistake.
Okay, tell me.
Since like this equation you showed, the 17 times 4, this is 68.
Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
You got 68 from that.
Hmm.
And then 68 over 100, which is 0.68.
Mm-hmm.
So you just divide 8160 and 68 and you get 120.
Yeah, that's what.
Mm-hmm. Vihan, did you do it by yourself?
Yeah, kind of. I mean, yeah, because like I didn't really get it though. So then,
Yeah, but how did you get the answer?
my mom.
That I cannot accept, Vihan. Even if it's an answer, see, that's the best part of this class. So you have to be very careful with me. Okay, let's move on. If you don't know, it's okay. I'm absolutely fine going over it. But at the same time, you cannot use external sources. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, how to solve for x? Okay, how to solve for t? Solve for t. We did this, right, ma? Literals. I'm just revising only 2 topics. One is solving for literals using equations to solve problems. Those are the only topics I'm trying to get you into before we get into algebra 1. Krishav, are you back? Solve for t. If you don't know, I'll help you. Go ahead, ma.
Is mine right?
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
I think you're muted.
Sorry, I'm checking it. Okay, so here Jashvita, very nice Jashvita. Siddharth, it's correct, okay, but I asked you to solve for T. Did you see that?
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't ask you to solve for R, but that's correct, whatever you have done. Jeevanashri, do you need help, ma?
I'm almost done solving it.
I'll wait, no pressure. Yeah, Ishan.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, Arya, very nice. Yes, ma.
So is the first step is to subtract
Correct.
k from both sides, right?
Correct. Because you should not touch the expression with this. This you should not touch. Whatever is there by the side, remove it. So since it is an addition of k, you subtract k on both sides. So
Wait,
this
Miss Priya,
yeah, ma?
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Will the equation still be the same if it's d over r plus k?
Can I finish this for Vihan and come to you, Naman?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just finish the train of thought. So if you want to solve for t, okay, there is nothing other than this expression. So I have to touch it. But then this r is multiplied by t. So I divide by r, divide by r. So this becomes t will be equal to d minus k by r. Vihan, did you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Devansh, I'm not getting answers from you. Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Yeah.
What was your question? Naman, give me the question that you have. Correct, ma, Devansh.
So this question, like the answer is d minus k over r equals t, right?
Yeah.
Will it still be right if it's d over r plus k?
D over r plus k. That's not right.
No, like d over r plus k, like r plus k is under.
Oh. D by r plus k? Why do you think that is right?
No, I was just asking because like I was just thinking because like when I was doing the homework, I like did this on accident and I changed it because I saw the answer was wrong. But I like
No,
put it in
I got
brackets.
it. I got it. But how did you arrive at this? If you can tell me, I'll tell you what is wrong.
No, because like when I was doing the homework, I got it wrong because I just divided by r plus k, so t was just
You divided this by r plus k, huh?
yeah.
Oh, okay. See, that's what I want to know. Then I can identify where. Okay. So given this, you directly divided by r plus k, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. See here, Naman. If you have 3 times 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3, would you be able to divide this, you think?
I could divide by 2 plus 3. Or multiply by 2 plus 3.
You can't.
Like-
First, you need to do this PEMDAS, right?
Oh yeah.
You see, so you can never divide something like this unless your denominator is also 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3, then you can do, correct?
Yeah.
This one will get you a 1. But this one is never going to get you a 1. You see, 2 plus 3 is different and this is going to evaluate to different thing, right?
Yeah.
So, in this case, because of this t, you can divide by rt plus k. But you cannot divide by r plus k. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions? Jeevanashri, that is right. Siddharth, that's right. Any questions? I didn't get some answers. Really, Ishan, did you get it? Yes, you got it. Sorry, Ishan. Devansh, did you get it?
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, you got it. Good job. See, literals I think has come up fine, I feel. At least the easy ones is my target. Can I give you a harder one? I'll give you a harder one this time because you guys seem to solve that nicely. Solve for x.
Is my answer correct?
This one? Good job, Sreshta. Everything is correct, but there is one minor mistake. Do you want to recheck?
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, Ishan correct, ma. Arya Sricharan correct. Naman correct.
Is this correct?
Naman, I want you to redo Naman. Step by step, Naman. Yeah, Devans, that's correct. 1 minute, ma. 4y. Ayo, Siddharth, you missed the last step. Can you check? Oh, Jeevanashri, wonderful.
Wait, Priya, what did I
Jashvita,
do
wonderful.
wrong? What did I do wrong? I don't see it.
What about me?
Yeah, Vihan, your answer is right, but the way you put in is wrong. Okay. What did you do, Naman? Tell me what you did.
I multiplied by 4.
Very nice.
Oh, I see it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, good. So here what happens then? 4y will be equal to 3x plus 5. Minus 5. And then you add 5 to both sides. Just be fair with the numbers. You will end up with right answers. Okay, divide by 3. Just be fair with the numbers. If you're in doubt, don't use variables. Put a number and see whether you're doing it right. Then you'll get it. Okay, Vihan, with respect to your answer, right, Vihan, when you send it to me, you have to send it with a parenthesis. You know why? Because if you send it to me like this, it can also mean like this. This is incorrect. But what is correct is this. So, it is important when you send the answer to me, the 4y plus 5 should be in parenthesis. Any questions, guys?
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
I checked for all. Let me. Oh, yeah, Siddharth. The last divide by 3 was not there, right, in your answer. Let me check. Right. Okay, nice. Okay. These are two easy ones. Okay, how about let me give you level 2 of flipped roots. Now okay, this is a good one. Okay, again literals. I feel like everybody is enjoying literals better. Okay, we'll do 1 or 2 word problems for sure, so that the transition is easy to algebra 1. This is a part of algebra 1, guys. This is one part of algebra 1 literally. So we'll have a test before we get started in June. Okay, whatever we have done. Krishu, were you there for this?
Yeah, I was just a little bit confused, but I understand it now.
Okay.
Is my answer correct?
I'm checking my one by one. Nice, Siddharth. Vihan. Here you should not give me parenthesis, you gave me parenthesis. What to do? Do you want to do it and show me on the board, Vihan? Let's do. I feel like you didn't understand what I said.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
1 minute, ma. Minus HA by.
What I did was that you know how it says A here, right? So then I multiplied the
Ma'am, am
2
I right?
Yeah,
here.
that's right. Jashwita's is right. Wait, ma. I have to check one by one, right? I'll definitely check. If I don't check, you respond to me. Jashwita, that's right. Vihan, I'm checking yours. Go ahead, Vihan. Go ahead. You
Yeah,
explain something. That is correct. 2A is correct. And after that, what did you do? You multiplied
then
both sides.
yeah, then
Keep going.
I added plus A.
Yeah, correct. Plus, how will you add A? Where is the H? You cannot pull out the arm. You see what I mean? It's a person. H times A plus B is a person. You cannot pull out the arm in between. You have to go from the outside. You got it?
Yeah, so then I would have divided. Wait, it's actually then I wouldn't have divided it by.
Can I help?
Krishiv, you did not get it. You got it. Vihan, you retry and give it to me. Krishiv, you didn't get it. You have to go step by step. Okay. Where did everything disappear? Where is the A? Where is the A?
I
You
did.
saw.
I like subtracted.
I don't see any of those in your final equation. A has to be the A, big A has to be there, small A has to be there. They're not the same.
They're different?
Yeah?
Oh, I thought it was
Always. Oh, okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma. Devansh, correct. Naman.
Change my answer.
Naman, something feels wrong, Naman. Can you check, Naman? You are not being fair, for sure. I understood what's your mistake. You're not fair.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
1 minute, ma. I'm going over. See, ma, Vihan, see, everybody has some comments. That's why. Vihan, if it is added, you need to subtract. If it is multiplied, then you need to divide. Are you following the rules? Check. Krishiv, good job. I think B. Krishiv, B is the small b, right? Why are you using big B? That's why it's confusing for you.
Oh, no, it just like accidentally came on. Like it just autocorrected to a capital.
There is a minor mistake as well. That's okay. There is still a minor mistake in your answer. Arya Sri Charan. Minus A. Good job. Ishan. That is correct. Sreshta. Sreshta, there's a problem. I'm going to do it on the board, guys. Vihan, that's incorrect. Siddharth, 2A by H minus A is correct. Okay, Siddharth, that's correct. Okay.
Put parentheses around the fraction.
That's where I'll tell you, Mahir. So first of all, I need the B. I cannot pull out the arm. I have to attack it from the outside. First, there is overall division by 2 on that side. So let me remove the fraction. Multiply by 2 on both sides. You get 2A will be equal to H times A plus B. I again can't pull out the B. Okay. I need to go from the outside. So let me multiply HA plus HB. Now, I should not touch this expression because I have to solve for B. Rest of it I can subtract or add. This expression is added, so I need to subtract that HA on both sides. So this becomes 2A minus HA will be equal to HB. Now I need to solve for B means divide by H, divide throughout by H. So your answer can be B will be equal to 2A minus HA by H. Here when you send it to me, this has to be in parenthesis. Or what you can do, you can divide by H to each. 2A by H minus HA by H is A. That can also be there. In this case, when you send it to me, how will you send it? 2A by H in parenthesis, then a minus A. That is also fine. This is one correct answer. This is one correct answer. Did I make sense, Reshta?
Yeah.
Okay, who did not understand? Okay, this was a tough one. Okay, I am going to give you, do I have, yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Maybe one easy one. That way you feel good about yourself. Yeah, this, yeah. You're doing literals nicely. This one, try doing it correctly. I'll give you one harder one. Yeah, this, we'll do 3 problems, guys. I'll put the numbers. Please, I'll put the question numbers. Then you can answer by the question number so that I don't get confused when checking. I'll put the question numbers. Just wait. 1, 2, 3. I know we are not doing more. Instead, let's work on whatever we have worked on algebra 1. Algebra 1, this is a subtopic. So that way this gets done. At least 70% done.
How do we put pi?
Yeah, ma, pi in the answer. Yes. Is that what you're asking?
No, I'm saying like how to put pi into the
How do we
computer.
type?
Oh, pi. Sorry. Pi is okay.
Oh, okay.
Nice, Ishan. Sreshta.
Am I right?
Nice, Sreshta. 1 minute, ma, Devansh. RP. Aha, Sreshta, the second one is incorrect. Okay, Sreshta. RP minus Q. First you need to subtract Q, ma. Then only divide by 2, ma. You should not touch the expression which has got X in it. So you should not touch 2 first. You have to subtract the Q.
Okay.
You got it, Amma?
Yeah.
Let me switch that off. There's a chat window that keeps on pinging.
Miss Priya, how do we type R squared?
You just put R SQUARED. R times R. Okay. Now I just need to know who all did it correct. Wait. Oh wow, Sreshta, your parentheses are all excellent on the third. Krishiv, okay. Your answer is correct, Krishiv, but you cannot answer as V by 0.33333. You see what I mean? Meaning you cannot ask the exam corrector to correct 1 by 0.333. The denominator should not be a decimal. You see what I mean?
So what would I do for the 1/3?
Yeah, Krishiv, you could have just multiplied by 3 on both sides first, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you see what I mean? But your answer is correct. Ishan, I'm checking your answer. 3V. Okay, yeah, first one is correct. RP minus. Yeah, second one is correct, Ishan, but you should use a parenthesis on the top. Third one, Sreshta. Oh my gosh. I just mixed, I think. Arya, Sricharan, all your answers were correct. Sreshta, your third answer had a problem, Sreshta. Sorry, I think I
Fixed it.
told incorrectly.
I fixed it.
You fixed it? Okay, let me check. Siddharth, that's correct. First one. Naman, I think you got everything correct, right, Naman? Jeevanashri, correct, ma, first one. Devansh, yeah, Devansh, that's correct. Very nice brackets, Devansh. Oh wow, Jashwita, good job. I think you got a hang of it, lady. Sreshta, I'm not able to see yours. So sure. Correct, ma, Sreshta. The third one you are correct, but can you add another parenthesis for the denominator too? That's all.
Oh, okay.
Jeevanashri, I'm a little lost. PR minus Q. Divide by 2. Where is the R coming, Jeevanashri, in the denominator? Denominator, you won't get an R, right, ma?
Oh, yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, Inian, where is your answer? But I am proud, guys. You all did the literals very nicely. Before the school teaches, it's a good thing. Yeah, Jeevanashri, the denominator as well, A minus C, have a parenthesis to be clear. That's all. It's not a must, but it's nice to have. Yeah, Devansh, all of them are right. Usage of parenthesis is awesome. Krishiv, the second answer is right. Ishan, that is incorrect, Ishan. Something you confused. Ishan, the last one I'm doing it for you. Now, see, I want x's to be on one side. So subtract this cx on this side and take it to the other side. Ax minus cx plus b equal to d. Subtract b. Then take out x as common. A minus c will be equal to d minus b. Now x times a minus c. A minus c is a single unit here. X times, right? So divide by a minus c on both sides. You get d minus b by a minus c. Any questions?
No.
Okay, can we stop here, guys? I hope you all think you learned something. Yes, I definitely think you learned a little bit. Maybe 1% of algebra 1. Any questions? Okay, so we will not redo. I'll try to have a test for you when you come next week. I'll try. Okay, that's the last class, right? So whatever we learned, right? Just some word problems and some literals. Okay, the homework will be a review of both. Okay, any questions?
No.
Okay, guys.
No,
If you have questions,
no.
stay. Jeevanashri, you stay. We will work it out and then I'll let you go.
Okay.
Yeah, Krishiv, very nice. Krishiv just want to stay. I want to just have a word with you.
Okay.
Yeah, correct, guys. Yeah. If you don't have any questions, you can leave. Nice, Jashwita.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye,
Bye.
guys. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye, ma. Yeah, Krishiv.
Yes.
How are you doing, Krishiv? Are you doing all the homework by yourself?
Yeah.
Are you feeling frustrated?